Hey, what's up guys? Ezra here from EzraSlayton.com. And in today's video, I want to share with you how you can make $50 in as little as 50 minutes. But first, I want to invite you to subscribe to the channel so that I can share more of these opportunities with you. And also, if you'd like to know what I'm doing online, then click that first link in the description below, and I will hook you up with more information on that. Alright guys, so today we're going to be talking about this website called jurytest.com, and how it works. It's a three-step process. Step one is you get a summons in your email for you to review a lawyer's case, and then depending on how long that case is or takes you to review it, that will determine how much you get paid. We'll talk about that here in a second. Step two is to provide your feedback. So once you have reviewed the lawyer's case, they just want your feedback, and then finally you will get paid well for your time, and how much you get paid depends on how much time you spend. So let's take a look at this right here. It says how much you get paid will depend on the case, but usually between $20 and $50 per case. The longer the case presentations, the longer the questionnaire, the more you will get paid. You will be informed upfront as to how much the case fee is and how long your time commitment will be. And it's usually between 20 to 50 minutes. Now, on the downside with this one, you're only going to be able to receive these tests about once per week. So if you'd like some information on how you can make money on the daily basis, then click that first link in the description below, and you'll be given more information on that. So that's going to do it for this one. I'll see you guys in future videos. Peace.